I was wondering, how exactly do you put on this Hypershell? And so in today's video, my dad is going to be showing you fairly easy. Pop it out of the nice box. And the first thing you're going to do is adjust the hip width. So you can put that down, pull that in and out, slide it out like so, and then clip it down like so. So you just don't want it to pinch too heavily. Then secure it around your waist. Make sure it's nice and snug. And then you're going to be attaching the legs right down here, and just make sure that it is about 2 fingers width right above your kneecap so that can slide up and down like so. And also to take the battery out, you kind of squeeze that and pull it out. It does help that you actually take it off, otherwise it looks really awkward. And then once that's good to go, you're charged up, you go through the setup process, hold down once and then all the way, and all of a sudden it is activated. You can adjust everything from the app also, and if your grandkids are around, they're going to think that you are Iron Man. And this has been absolutely incredible, especially for my dad who has a stroke, and so his right leg is a little weak. But man, with this thing, he says it gives him about 30 to 40% more power in his muscles, and he's able to walk around fairly quickly, and otherwise he couldn't do that. This thing has been absolutely incredible. So whether you are fit or elderly, go ahead and give this thing a try. It is so much fun.